What's up guys, Jack here, and today we're going to do a quick unboxing and first impressions of two wireless chargers from Anker. So we have, first up, a stand charger for charging an iPhone, and then also a 3-in-1 for charging an iPhone, AirPods and Apple Watch all at the same time. That's any MagSafe iPhone, so the iPhone 12 or later, but not the new 16e because for whatever reason Apple decided not to give it MagSafe. Instead that'll be stuck at 7.5 watts. Now this is not a sponsored video, but Anker did send these over to me to check them out, and as always you can find links to them in the description. So let's get to it. We'll start first with the stand. So in the box we have the stand, some paperwork, and a USB-C to USB-C cable. And I'd say that that is about 1 meter long. There is no charger in the box, so you are going to have to bring your own. Anker recommends a 25 watt or higher charger. So this charging stand comes in two colours. We've got the Aurora White here, and it also comes in black stone. And it's got a nice, simple, clean, elegant stand design. It's very minimal, so it's going to fit into any setup, and it's not going to draw too much attention to itself. So I'll give it a quick measure. The base is 8.8 by 8.8 centimeters, and the height comes in at just over 15. And away, it's coming in at 257 grams. So I am liking this matte finish. Just to have a look around, we've got the USB-C port on the back. The base is fully padded, so it's not going to slip and slide around on your table. It's going to be nice and firm. And then we have the actual charger itself, and this is on a hinge. So we've got a 70-degree angle of tilt there, and also it rotates. So you can rotate your iPhone from portrait into landscape, and as you can hear, it does actually have a bit of like a clicky sound as you do it. And I don't know if you can make that out, but it also has the Qi2 branding as well. So I'm just going to plug this in. So I'll pop the iPhone on. I do have a third camera set up so you can better see what's going on. We get that fancy MagSafe charging animation. This supports MagSafe with Qi2 with up to 15 watts of wireless charging, and Anker says that it will get an iPhone 15 Pro up to 30% in around 20 minutes. Now this is very much designed to be a single device charger. It is designed to have an iPhone on, and we can rotate it if you want to put it into landscape or into portrait. We have that little clicky sound as we rotate it. And what that means is if you put it into like a vertical position, you could also pop your AirPods on and use it to charge those if you have a pair with a wireless case. So it does look a bit funny there, looks a bit ridiculous being on that little podium, but hey ho, you do you, it's your charger, charge what you want. Nonetheless, it is a very sort of elegant way to charge your phone on your desk. It sort of raises the phone up so it gives you a better angle if you want to use it for FaceTime while you're working, or if you need something on while you're working and you want to watch a video, you can pop it into landscape and catch up on some TV, whatever you want to do. But I want to mention something that I think is a bit of an underrated feature that some people might not even know that you can do this, but if you have an iPhone on a wireless charger and you have it in landscape and you lock the phone, then after a couple of seconds, it will go into standby mode. This takes over the entire display, and it basically turns your iPhone into like a little smart hub. On this first page, you get the sort of widgets that you can swipe between, the same widgets that you'll find on the lock screen. And of course, you can go in and customize these as well. And you have one on either side to customize it however you want. And it also supports Smart Rotate. So if you have a calendar appointment that's coming soon, it will bring that front and center so you don't miss it. Then on the second page, we have the time, and it will also cycle through like your photos or like a specific album, so that's really nice if you just want to use it as like a digital photo frame. Then swipe again and we get this full screen clock view. It almost turns your iPhone into like a giant Apple Watch. And again, there are a few different styles that you can cycle between with different looks, and you can go in and you can customize these with different colors to suit the mood or suit the vibe that you want to go with. Of course, I'm going to go with orange. If you've got an iPhone with an always on display, then this will always be visible as well. And if you want to use this stand in your bedroom, then it will automatically detect when it's in low light and put everything on screen into red, so it's less harsh on your eyes, and it will go to sleep after a few seconds. So a really cool way to get more out of your iPhone. If you use this stand, you can use standby mode, and I feel like a lot of people don't even know that this is a thing because you need to have your iPhone propped up like this, and most people tend to have those flat chargers. Also, if you've got anything set up in the Home app, you can also use this as like a smart home controller for turning on your lights and stuff and controlling things from your iPhone at your desk. So that's pretty cool as well. Really nice, modern, minimal stand that will fit into any setup. So let's now take a look at the 3-in-1. So we have the charger, quick setup guide, a USB-C cable, and that is a 1.5 meter cable. And this time we do get a power supply in the box with a single USB-C port, and that is a 40-watt charger, which Anker recommends when you're using with the 3-in-1. This time we have the black stone, but it does also come in shell white. And flipping it over, we do also have these little padded feet to keep it nice and steady on your desk. So it is a 3-in-1, so we have a charging pad for your iPhone, your AirPods, and your Apple Watch. It measures in at about 23 centimeters by just over 8.5, and it is just, so it's less than 1.5 centimeters tall. It is really, really thin. Just to give you a better look from the side, you can really see just how thin it is. We'll pop it on the scales, and it is just under 350 grams. Now this charger does actually have a couple of tricks. Now I have seen 3-in-1 chargers like this before, where you can lay your Apple Watch on it like so and just charge it flat. But also you can fold up the Apple Watch puck. So if you do have an Apple Watch strap that is like a bracelet or a loop where it goes all the way around and it doesn't detach, you can pop it on like this without having to take the whole strap off. So that is really nice. But what I haven't seen is a 3-in-1 where the iPhone charger also folds up as well. That's pretty cool. It folds up to around a 60-degree angle, and then you have like 180 degrees of movement on the pad itself. I mean, I don't know why you'd want to have your phone facing down like that, but like most of the time you're going to be somewhere in the middle. The pad itself doesn't turn like we saw on the charging stand, but you can pretty easily, pop your phone on and swivel it into landscape, and then you can still get all of those standby features that we saw before. And the watch too, that will go into nightstand mode and it will display the time and then go to sleep after a few seconds. These do feel pretty sturdy when you're folding them up and down, and there are holes in the bottom as well so you can poke your finger through, so it's nice and easy to do, and they'll just sort of stay at whatever angle you put them at. So let's now go over some of the charging stats. We have a 15-watt Qi2 wireless charger for any MagSafe iPhone, a 5-watt charger in the middle for a pair of wireless AirPods, and a 5-watt Apple Watch charger, which Anker says will get a Series 9 to 30% in about 20 minutes. So an ideal charger for charging 3 of your Apple devices all at once. And I do like that, you do have the option to fold these up and, use nightstand mode or standby mode on the phone. And it does fold down pretty flat, less than 1.5 centimeters. And I guess you could take it with you on the go. I mean, personally, I do think it is a little bit big. Instead, I would actually recommend this little UFO looking thing, which is also from Anker. We did look at it on the channel a couple of months back. And this has the same 3-in-1 design for, your iPhone, AirPods and watch. And it folds out to be pretty much the same size, but the benefit of this is you can literally just fold it up into something that would fit into your pocket. So I definitely recommend it. Check out my video on it. In that video, I also talk about a really good travel power bank for your Apple Watch and any other tech accessories that you want to charge. The stand is £40 or dollars, perfect for single device charging. It is super sleek and elegant, and it turns your iPhone into like a little smart hub. And the 3-in-1 is £90 or $100 for anyone more invested into the Apple ecosystem with a pair of AirPods and an Apple Watch to charge at the same time. Let me know what you think of these down in the comments and fire away any questions and I'll do my best to answer. I do have some videos looking at some of Anker's other MagGo accessories, like they've got like power banks, MagSafe batteries, that sort of thing. So if you are looking for something like that, check those out and I'll link to those as well. And links to these will be in the description. Leave a like if this video helped you out, subscribe and hit the bell to see more tech videos from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.